Jowar Burfi, a dessert that is nutritious and very simple to make. Let's make it together on Glutensure today. Jowar Burfi has it all. It has a nice, rich, nutty flavor. It is gluten-free and is ready in just 20 minutes. Look at the beautiful melt-in-your-mouth texture of this amazing burfi. Check out the link to the recipe in the description box for all the measurements. The use of milk and milk powder is optional. You can also use Khoa instead. So to start off, place a heavy bottom pan on medium heat. Add 1 cup sorghum flour, 1/3 cup besan, and dry roast them. Press the flour mixture with the help of a spatula to get rid of any lumps. What we are looking for is flour mixture to be nicely, evenly roasted. Make sure that the flame is medium and that you're continuously stirring so that the flour doesn't burn. In about 6 to 7 minutes, the flour mixture turns aromatic. The main thing we are looking for is for the flour mixture to get rid of the raw flour taste. At this stage, add the ghee in batches. Add about 1/4 cup of the ghee and thoroughly mix it in with the flour mixture. Once all the ghee is mixed in, roast for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Roast for about 2 to 3 more minutes. The flour mixture is now coated with the ghee and turns golden. Continue roasting for about 2 to 3 more minutes and reduce the heat to low. At this stage, add 1/2 cup of milk into the flour mixture. Blend in the milk and break down any lumps with your spatula. The milk should be properly mixed in, and what we are looking for is for the milk to get cooked. So this process will take about 1 to 2 more minutes. At this stage, turn off the heat and add 1/3 cup of milk powder. Mix the milk powder well and add in the remaining ghee. So in total, we'll use 1/2 cup of ghee. For the sugar syrup, in a pan on medium-high heat, add 1/2 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water. As the sugar melts, continue stirring this mixture. After about 4 to 5 minutes, the sugar syrup comes to a boil, and at this stage, add 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Let the sugar syrup boil for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Take some syrup and press it down between your thumb and index finger. If the syrup is sticky, turn off the heat and remove the sugar syrup from the stove. Now add the sugar syrup to the roasted flour mixture and mix well. This process needs to be done quickly because the sugar syrup starts the setting process. Once the sugar syrup is completely mixed in, transfer the mix into a container lined with parchment paper. Press down the mixture with the help of a cup measure or a spatula to get an even surface on the top. Garnish with sliced pistachios and almonds and let the burfi set for about 2 to 3 hours. So it's been about 3 hours and I'm ready to cut the burfi. Look at how beautifully the burfi cuts. I'll show you a close-up. It has a nice grainy texture. This delicious burfi has a melt-in-your-mouth texture that you will love. Please share this recipe with your friends and family. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. We just made Jowar Burfi together. Please let me know in the comments below how the dish turned out. Thank you for watching.